This Karen is causing a scene, yelling at the workers as if it's their fault she can't handle a little wait to get her order. Guess patience isn't her strong suit.
Experienced my first Karen.
Excuse me, I called 15 minutes ago to be ready. What do you mean there's other people? I had to stand in line.
We're only 2 people operating this
That's
store
not
at a
my
time.
problem. That's not
Okay,
my
then
problem.
try working on a subway then.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You're saying that. Give me the order, please.
Okay.
Kevin, you get up here, manager comes in, I'll call you. What's your name? You don't need my name.
No, that's right.
What do you think you are? You don't need my name. Why everybody's name is in line, look at
You
mine.
want?
This says online order pickup over there.
Okay, well, I'm
This
not
says
gonna give you my
online
name.
order pickup over there. Is that your sandwich?
No, it's not, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay, well, you, it's not, ma'am.
continue, Gavin.
Yeah, just
Thank
because
you.
Barry won't be here with us. What's the
Yeah.
point of ordering online if it's not ready?
It says online order pickup.
Look, we get it. Like it seems easy to get your order after ordering online. Like it should be there and ready. But if there's only 2 people there and there are people in the store, how can it be just you can't expect it to be punctual, right? That you can't expect it to be on time every single time.
No. Like, why are people so selfish? Why? Seriously, these Karens, these awful, ugly people, like, they have no place. Like, seriously, they need to be
They're
shut down.
annoying.
You should have been here instead of waiting in line.
I
You should
didn't
probably
hear,
say.
wasn't there, ma'am.
Well,
Kevin, I'll
And
find
maybe
it.
you're saying it's already because you're being rude to the wait staff.
Everybody just call in the morning at 8 and talk to Gavin's manager and say that we were witnesses.
Sure will.
What a bunch of bullies.
They're the bullies.
But she walks in and says, "Give me my sandwich. I ordered it." I love how the people who are so aggressive and mean and the people stand up to them, they play the victim card.
They're getting
The
bullied.
victim, like, "Oh, you're bullying me. Oh my God." And it's like, you're the one who started it. If you didn't want it, shut up and sit down and wait for your freaking food.
Can't take the heat.
Get out of the kitchen.
There you go.
Hey, this is more that you to be such an embarrassment in front of her. No, you're the embarrassment. Yeah, you are.
Wait, I just have to say, another person who is talented enough to piss everyone off.
You get the award.
She's pissing everyone off. Nobody likes her.
You're a disgusting human being.
Yes, you are.
Yes,
Yes, you are.
You are.